Welcome to this course on how to create a portfolio website from scratch. This is the perfect course for photographers, designers, or anyone else who would like to showcase their work online or even find new customers through their website. My name is Hoku Ho. I'm the instructor, and in this course I'll be showing you how to create this exact website that you're looking at from scratch, and we're going to do everything step by step so that you can see exactly how it's done. In this website you'll be able to add individual photos or graphics that you've created. You'll also be able to add photo albums or photo galleries of posts with more than just one image. We'll also be able to categorize these different images. So for instance, let's click on this beach category, and here we'll see just the images that have been added to this category. You'll also be able to add a search bar so that if your visitors are looking for a specific thing, they can use that search bar to find it. In addition, we'll add some pages like an About Me page or a Contact Me or Get in Touch page where you can put your info and even add a contact form. This site is also completely responsive, so it will look good on any screen, tablet, or smartphone. You can see the layout changes to fit the width of the screen. And we'll even add some special customization for mobile users. So this is an emulation of what the site will look like on iPhone 6 Plus. And you can see here at the bottom we have this little bar with this custom call now and email buttons to make it really easy for mobile users to get in touch with us and hopefully hire us. So this is the site we'll be creating in the course, and best of luck.